if you guys want to see ginger, why I pick this one, I have a lot of story behind why I pick this
How you
one.
pick that ginger?
They have a little small one too, right?
Yeah.
Which one's more easier to?
Oh, this one, right? Easier to clean. Is that why?
I think maybe tastes maybe this one's more much better.
You think so?
I don't know.
Oh, I don't know.
No, my story.
This one looks nicer though.
My episode is when I was working at the restaurant, the person who buying the vegetables, I was requesting this one. The person always bring me this one, or sometimes more small one.
I think you're talking about me,
But the
Hiro.
only thing is not only one pack. I'm talking about he's by the whole case. Whole case.
Oh, what a horrible guy.
Whole case of this
Very
one.
bad, very bad.
That's a secret.
That's a cameraman. Back to the studio. Hiro-san.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. We are back in the studio and want to show everyone what we have here. But before we do that, let's
Yes.
talk about this. Riviera Seafood Club. You guys know we worked with them in the past. We're working with them again to provide you all at home the freshest ingredients to make sushi with. They're second generation fishmongers. 48 hours direct to your door. All this stuff came packed super secure on dry ice, super hard frozen when we got it. Okay, this is a delivery. Looks like Tommy. More of the smoked salmon pearls. Hamachi belly. From bluefin tuna to A5 Japanese Wagyu, salmon, uni, caviar, yellowtail. We're so excited to working with them again. The guys over there, Matt, Blake, Claire, and also Michaela. Wonderful team. Hiro-san, what are we doing today?
So actually, I do make several stuff, but the first one I'm gonna do kind of temari sushi combination.
Okay,
So planning to 16-piece temari sushi
all right.
with this
With all these
beautiful
different
fishes.
kinds. Let's talk about the different fish you're going to use here.
Yeah. So I'm going to use this one for sideless, this one, and it's called wild red shrimp, and then hamachi here, and akami, chutoro, and toro. Yes.
Okay.
And for the decoration side, I have ikura here, and this is caviar, and the smoked salmon pearl, and this is the ikura shoyu zuke. And then other stuff, several stuff I brought here. Could be I'm gonna use the sesame seeds, and maybe I'm gonna make a spicy tuna, and there's black sesame seed and white sesame seed, scallion, chopped red onion, the beets, sprout, and also the oboro kombu. Could be I'm gonna roll up one of the two roll. Then I'm gonna decorate it. And here's a fresh wasabi here, and avocado, and orange and lemon. So maybe I'm gonna use a peel for the decoration.
Okay.
So that's I just brought here, but might I don't use it. Still I'm thinking what to do for
Okay.
decoration. There it is.
It's like the size of a golf ball.
Yeah, the size like almost like a golf ball.
Right.
Okay, last ball here. But anyway, this is a 16 ball going to be like that. But 1, 2, 2 and 2 is going to be a little bit different shapes anyway.
The dark part, which
that part I don't need it.
yeah,
And the all the way skin.
people still eat that, but just maybe here in America they're not interested in that.
Maybe tastes way too strong for them. I do like this part.
Yeah. Hiro-san,
Yes.
what's in the black box? Something special?
Looks like a special.
I think you're done with everything. It looks beautiful. You guys saw it being created. Let's take a look. Wow. Take a look at this. Beautiful tamari sushi. You have toro, you have hamachi, chutoro, avocado roll with regular ikura. You have shoyu ikura, shrimp golden caviar, that's what that is. Yushu kusho. Look at that. Incredible. Thank you so much to Riviera Seafood for sending all these amazing items to us. Hiro-san, I think you outdid yourself. So beautiful.
Thank you.
Did you enjoy it? You actually used to make this before, right?
Yeah, I
Something like
used to
that.
I used to make in tamari sushi.
Right. And let me tell you what, can't wait to try this. Hiro-san, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
See you soon. Hiro-san, maybe we just look at it, don't eat it. What do you say?
Just keep it in the freezer.
Keep it in the freezer?
Yeah.
I don't know how long it's going to last, but... Alright, let's go for it, Hiro.
Okay.
What's first for you?
Chutoro? Yes.
Chutoro. With caviar, gold flake. How's that chutoro?
Melting.
Let me tell you what, Riviera Seafood Club really is amazing. Check out the link down below. You'll see it, or in the description box. You guys will get some extra product if you order over a certain amount of money. Thank you again for Riviera Seafood Club for sponsoring today's video and sending us amazing products. Okay, you know my favorite. I know I shouldn't start with this one, but this is Otoro. Spicy Otoro. There's avocado inside here, as you guys saw. Little shoyu ikura, right, Hiro?
Shoyu ikura.
Right. Okay. Wow.
Good. Next one, my favorite ikura.
Just melts in your mouth. That toro. And the way you made it with that spicy tuna recipe is amazing. How's the ikura?
Very good. Very nice.
What would it cost to order this at a restaurant? That's what I'd like to know. Because it takes a long time to do.
Anyway, 16 piece.
16 pieces, right?
The total, might one piece gonna be almost $15. This one, this much the total.
That's a smoky ikura. Very, very good. I've never had that before. Very, very first time. What else here? I'll try one more.
How much?
Hamachi with real wasabi. How's it? With the real wasabi, another flavor, right? I'm gonna go for this one. This is chu toro with ginger and scallion.
So this one actually I divide into because 4 layer, right? 16 piece. So one piece getting a little bit bigger.
Wow, fresh ginger.
How's the
This is a whole nother level here. That's very good.
spicy?
You know what? Look, please, no, before you try that, I'll put that down. Sorry. Put some fresh ginger on the hero.
In here?
Yeah, with that ginger and scallion. What an incredible combination. Fresh ginger is very, very potent right now. It's amazing. How's it? One other flavor, right? With the fresh ginger?
I do eat tuna sashimi with the ginger soy sauce.
Okay. That is incredible. Well, we're going to finish this off camera. So much to eat. Hiro-san, thank you again.
Thank you very much.
See you.